Okay, so today I'm going to try and show you how to change some RAM or upgrade some RAM on a mid 2011 iMac. So as you can see, there's a cover on the bottom here with 3 screws. First thing we need to do is get this cover off, so I'm going to get to work at undoing these screws. You can see the cover comes off. Don't need to worry about the screws because they're sort of stuck in there. So once the cover's off, you can see exactly where the RAM goes in there. 4 slots. Should there you go, just light that up a bit. Right. Let's go have a go at getting some of this RAM in. Now, I don't know how well you can see this, but there's actually some little black tabs here which seem to slot in like that. You need to lift them out first. Okay. Now these will need to be pressed in quite hard. So they pop in like that. Make sure you give them a good push. It will seem a bit tough, but you do need to make sure they're all the way in there. Try and give you a better look at this one while I'm doing it. It's a bit difficult. Put it down there, we'll give this a push in. Right. Make sure they're all the way in. You sort of feel them clicking. Anyway, just get a quick look at that. And these are black tabs. Sort of fold them in. Like that, like so. Okay, So now we've just got to put the cover back on. Like so, and let's plug it back in and see what happens. Just going to boot the Mac back up now after we put the RAM in. So far so good. Sometimes if you haven't pushed the memory all the way in, it hasn't clicked in, you will get a beep sound and the Mac won't load. So all you have to do is take that cover back off, just give it a good push, make sure the RAM's always in, nice and solid into those slots. Okay, just got to log in. Okay, we've just come back to the desktop here. Seems to have booted in. Okay, so what we're going to do to check our RAM is just pop up to the left hand corner here and click on the apple. Go to About This Mac and check out the memory there. You can see now it's 16 gigabytes, so the RAM upgrade has been successful. Just a few things I should mention really is, obviously when you're doing this, lay the Mac down on something soft. You don't want to scratch the screen or anything. That's about it really. I ordered my RAM from Crucial, turned up within a couple of days, really good price, so yeah, good luck, thanks.